Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI and I like to roll with it. So I really appreciate this Farberware rolling pin. Now, the reason why I like this in this day and age, there's always new and better designs, and sometimes they just don't work as well as the good old simple item that it started with. And that's what I feel like this Farberware is. I appreciate the classic style. It works so well and I have had no problems with it. I've had this for years and I have used other newer style rolling pins and just haven't liked it as much. But I feel this gives a nice even roll all around, especially when you're making pizzas, tortillas. I personally love to make homemade pita bread. And this does such a good job just making it all nice and even. I think the design, even though it is a classic style, it is perfect for your hands. The way the handles are shaped is so easy to wrap your palms around and to get a really good grip. It rolls very easily. This is such high quality wood. It is definitely well-made item that not only looks good, but works. This is definitely one of my favorite rolling pins. Like I said, it has stood the test of time with me. It is reliable, it is a great quality, a great value, and that's my point of view.